In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill Google Business Profile Appeal Form if your Google Business Profile has been suspended. The most important thing to understand is that you should not submit an appeal before fixing the issue that caused the suspension. In most cases, Google suspends a profile because something on it violates its guidelines. That could be an address issue, an ineligible service area, or a business name that includes extra keywords it shouldn't have. Before you do anything else, review your profile carefully and make sure the information is corrected so your appeal has a better chance of being approved. Once that's done, the next step is to gather your supporting documents. Google wants clear proof that your business is real and legally operating, and that the business name and address on your documents match exactly what appears on the profile. Prepare up to 2 PDF files in advance so everything is ready before you begin the appeal. Strong evidence can include an official business registration, articles of incorporation, or a business license. You can also use utility bills, a lease agreement, or a certificate of insurance that shows the business address. Photos of your permanent exterior signage, storefront, or work vehicles with branding can also help support your case. After that, go to the official Google Business Profile Appeal tool. Sign in using the Google account that manages the suspended profile. Then select the business profile you want to restore. At this point, the tool will show the policy issue connected to the suspension. This is useful because it helps confirm what Google flagged and gives you a chance to make sure your explanation and evidence directly address that problem. Now you're ready to complete the appeal form. Keep in mind that once you start the appeal, you'll have a strict 60-minute window to upload your evidence. So it's best to have your files open and ready on your computer ahead of time. Fill in the required details, including the account name, the exact business name, the business address, and the business profile ID. Then upload your consolidated PDF files in the evidence section. When you write your explanation, keep it short, clear, and factual. Briefly explain what caused the issue, confirm that it has been corrected, and mention the documents you've attached to support your appeal. Avoid emotional language or unnecessary details. The goal is to make it easy for Google to verify your business information. Once everything has been reviewed, click Submit. After that, all you can do is wait for Google's response.